வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ரெஃப்ரெஷர் கோர்ஸ் ஆன்சர் கீ யூனிட் 1, 2, 3 பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலில் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. வாங்க நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், லிஸ்ட் அவுட் த 3 மெயின் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் தட் ஆர் இன்வால்வ்டு இன் DNA ரெப்ளிகேஷன். That answer is recognition of initiation point, the opening of the double helix, separation of the DNA strand, firming of the template strand, initiation, elongation, termination. Next, second question, differentiate leading standard from lagging standard. Leading standard has the polarity 3' to 5'. Lagging standard has polarity 5' to 3'. Replication is continuous. Replication is discontinuous. Next, third question, replication fork at the point of origin of replication, the helicases and topic meraces DNA dries, unwind and pull apart the strands, forming a Y-shaped structure called the replication fork. There are 2 replication forks at each origin. Fourth question, choose. After the forming of RNA primer, nucleotides are added with the help of an enzyme. That answer is DNA polymerase. Fifth question, replication occurs ring dash for mitosis and meiosis interface. Next, sixth question, mention the significance of DNA. DNA is private to our growth, reproduction and health. It contains the introduction necessary for your cells to produce proteins that affect different process and function in your body. Because DNA is so important, damage or mutation can sometimes contribute to the development of disease. அடுத்து செகண்ட் லெசன், fertilization and fetal development. What is fertilization? Fertilization means involving the fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote. Sperm plus egg equal to fertilized egg. Next, second question, gastrulation period of humans. Answer is 250 days. Third question, what will happen fertilization does not occur? The uterus is starting to prepare itself to receive the fertilized egg, grows thick, muscular and rich in blood and tissues. When the egg is not fertilized, the thick uterus lining breathes down, the blood tissues and the non-fertilized egg come out the vagina as menstruation. Next, fourth question, the implantation of the embryo occurs at about 5 to 6 days for fertilization. Next, fifth question, describe the various developmental stage of fertilization. The process of prenatal development occurs in 3 main stages. The first 2 weeks after conception as known as the germinal stage, the third through 8th week as known as the embryonic stage or period, and the time from 9th week until birth is known as fetal period. Next, match it. First one, parturition, delivery of baby from uterus. அடுத்தது gestation, duration between pregnancy and birth. Ovulation is release of egg from Graafian follicle. Next, third unit, modes of reproduction in organism. First question is, what is the importance and reproduction? Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all living organisms. It is a biological process by which organisms produce their young ones. The young ones grow and mature to repeat the process. Thus, reproduction results in continuation of species and introduces variation in organisms which are essential for adaptation and ovulation of their own kind. Next, second question. What is the importance of copying reproduction? The copying of DNA during reproduction is important because replication of DNA ensures that each daughter, all formed at the end of cell division, receives an equal amount of DNA. The daughter cell won't receive all necessary genes if by chance DNA won't be copied. Next, third question. Find out the organisms which can regenerate both A and B. Fourth question. The above chart indicates the mode of reproduction, sporulation. Next, fifth question. Write the significance of variation in reproduction. First point, variation enable better adaptation of an organisms in the changing environmental changing condition. Second point, in the case of plants and animals, they help in disease resistance. Variation improve the chances of survival of a particular species on the onset of unfavored conditions. Fourth point, variation is the major source of species and environmental evaluation. Corner, in the more fit organisms replace the less fit organisms from the environment they were earlier sharing. Next, distinguish between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves two parents, male and female. Both mitosis and meiosis take place. Third point, offspring genetically differ from the parents. Gametes are produced. அடுத்தது asexual reproduction involves only one parent. Only mitotic cell division take place. Third point, offspring are genetically identical to parents. Fourth point, gametes are not produced. இதோட நம்ம சேனல் முடிஞ்சுது. மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. அப்போனா தான் நான் மேலும் போடுற சேனல் உங்களுக்கு வந்து சேரும். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.